In today's video, I am going to teach you how to uninstall Google Chrome from Windows 10. Start by opening the Start menu on your Windows 10 computer. In the search bar, type Control Panel. When Control Panel appears in the results, open it. This is where Windows keeps many of its system settings, including the tools used to remove installed programs. Once you are in Control Panel, look for the Programs section. Under that, select Uninstall a program. This will open a list of the applications currently installed on your computer. Depending on how many programs you have, it may take a moment for the full list to load. In that list, find Google Chrome. It is usually listed alphabetically, so scrolling to the section with the letter G can make it easier to locate. When you see Google Chrome, click on it to select it. Then choose the Uninstall option at the top of the list, or right-click the program name and select Uninstall if that option appears. Windows may ask you to confirm that you want to make changes to your device. If that happens, approve the prompt so the uninstall process can continue. You may also see a Chrome uninstall window appear. Follow the prompts shown on your screen to remove the browser from your system. At this point, you may notice an option related to your Chrome browsing data. If you want to remove saved profile information, settings, and browsing history from the computer, you can choose that option during the uninstall process. If you prefer to keep that information, leave it unchecked. This depends on whether you plan to reinstall Chrome later or completely remove all traces of it from the device. After that, let the uninstall finish. It usually only takes a short time. Once the process is complete, Google Chrome will be removed from your Windows 10 computer. If you want to confirm it worked, you can check the program list again in Control Panel and make sure Chrome no longer appears there. That covers everything you need to know.